Morning. Good morning, second year students. Tables. So this is one of the important topic in HTML. This chapter will learn about table have many users in HTML. Many users in HTML. What is the objective? You can list price list you are maintaining, no, that is in table only. Insert a table and explain a table's attribute, edit a table and add a header. Here in this table, 3 tags only. Table means the starting table, no, use tag table, then use tag close table element as 4 sub elements. 4 sub elements, what are the things? No, table header, table row, table data, then caption. So this table row element, usually it contains the table header elements or table data elements. So this 5 tags you don't forget if you are going to at the time of web development, if you are going to use this tags, no, so don't forget this 5 important sub elements. Next, it is one small program. So the table border size is 1 inch. Table header column 1, column 2 only. Column 1, column 2, row wise will display row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, like that. So this is the one small example. Likewise, column 1, column 2. In that, so it display column 1, row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2. Likewise, it will display. So here you see tables, column 1 header, row 1, column 1, row 2, column 1. Column 2 header, row 1, column 2, row 2, column 2. Likewise, it is an output of the previous HTML code. Here, table attribute. Table attribute, here you have to mention the text color and as well as background color also. So here the PG color, some browser support background color in a table. With size you have to mention. With size of the particular PG color. Then border, you can choose the numerical value for the double border, single border, like that. Cell spacing. Cell spacing represents the between the cell and it specified in the fixer. Table attribute cell padding. So cell padding is the space between the cell border and the cell content and it specified in fixer. Align, you can left, right, center align. Background images you can link using SRC attribute. Border color also you can give. Table caption. Table you have to give some titles. Table captions allow to specify a line of text that will appear centered above the table. So here cell padding, table border is 1 size, caption align bottom. So label for my table. So it bottom side will display. Caption element has one attribute. Align that can either top or bottom below table. Table header. So the head of the table, I want to show that exercise, that also table header is available. Subject wise mark we are going to maintain in that table. So that header centered header, bold, not bold text, centered header we are maintaining. Cell are represented by the DD and can table data. TD means, TH means table header. Element which result in the content of the table header cell appearing centered in text, ordinary text. So here bold text, I am going to show ordinary text. Call span, row span, align, V align, width, height. So here row span means, column span means how many cell columns of the table is cell should span. Here how many row cell should span. And align data have left, right, center alignment. V align means data can have top, middle and bottom alignment. With you are giving the size of the text. Likewise, here it is one of the exercise. The bottom side it is there in output. Here with 50% the border no double border. So border equal to 1. Caption spare parts. So it is in spare parts. It is in heading, large heading sizes. Then table row, table header, stock numbers. Table row, table header, stock, and second table header, description. Third, list price. That all it is available in the table header. Then next, PG color. This is only this column is red. So remaining no, all it is in data. So that is 3,476 and 76 meter stock and 45. Like one, the stock number is this, description is 76 millimeter socket, and then 45 price. Second, so like second row, third row, likewise it will display. It is an X, it is an one of the example. Here it is an output. Here table data and table header attribute. Table data and table header, no, TR. It is in table row. It is in table header. Table header, column 1 header, column 2 header. And table row data, no, column span, row 1, column 1. It is previously, first example will show the same thing, that we are going to saw the output table data and table header attribute. Here same table row 1. Here only differences, only row 2 column 1 to column 2 header. First row column 1 no column 2 header. So the table, whatever you want, you slightly change. You use properly table header. After that, table data you have to use properly. Here you are using two data, row 2, column 2, row 3, column 2. Here special things to note. Here TH, DD, DR should always have end tag. So the end tag formally optional may browse with mess of the formatting of the table. If you omit and end tag, so the answer is not executed by browser. So if you submit that file name, the answer is not came. So that you have to use close tag. End tag is compulsory. A default table has no border. Default table no border. And then default table is flashed with the left margin. Left margin. Next one is what will be the output. Here one more small examples. So TR table row table data is there, and then table row table data. Here width size is 25%, here width 750. Okay, so see the output. So only TD TR within DD means that corresponding row data will be displayed. Okay, so next output. So here it is the output. Page, banner, link and article, column 1, column 2, it is an output. Okay, so I think some doubt on this we will see later on execution practical time, we'll see. So that's all in table. I want to show the exercise in Notepad. So here how to select Notepad now. Here all program, every time I'm telling all program, their accessories you have to select accessories. Their accessories, it is window 7 and 8 both you select like that only. If frequently used, that window selection page itself you will get the Notepad. So here basic code is there, basic table is there. So I want to select basic table. So this basic table now, it is exercise, Notepad exercises. Here body we are specifying border sizes. Okay, cell padding means double line will come. Cell padding 2 means some little space also will come. Okay, align top space specification table with hour and mark. So here TD, TR. So this all it starts from body only, table border. Here TH. So here leave it. Here TH row span sizes, row span, unit number, unit title, and teaching hours, and then distributions of theory works. So it is in first column table header. It is there in the output. All it is data. TR with DD. DD means data R level. Unit number 1 R level. Then unit title U level. So this another table data. So here only starts all the records. Here introductions of internet technologies, centered data, marks also. So here table starts like this model only. TR, TD. Here centered 3. Here centered 2 unit, 4th unit, 3rd unit. Data, centered data 6, 4, 8, 0, 1 likewise. Here table header, then it is some subtopics of the subtitles of the table header. Here subject wise, mark and hours and marks it is displaying here. It is in somewhat quite a big program. You are going to display 5-6 row of the data. So here all data is available. Finally you are going to close. Every time, every day, that TR table row you have to close here. TD every time you have to close. Line by line you have to close table data. Then finally table you have to close, and then body also you have to close. End of the program HTML also you have to close. Now I am going to execute this same program in basics here basic table dot HTML. Okay, it is executing. So it is going to display introductions of the different unit titles here: server, cloud, VB script, XML, ASP, object component, and then here data. So teaching hours, this internet of technology